The Wild Child by Jeanne Willis. They caught all the wild children, put them in zoos, made them do sums and wear sensible shoes. They put them to bed at the wrong time of day, made them sit still when they wanted to. They scrubbed them with soap and made them eat peas. They made them behave and say pardon and please. They took all their wisdom and their wildness away. That's why there are none in the forest today. This has been Jeanne Willis, The Wild Child. Hopefully us rusticators will still keep the wild child alive in the woods.